Hello friends, welcome to my closet. This video we are doing a closet clean out because it's still spring and we still have time to get it together. Now before we go further, let me just introduce myself. I'm Hannah. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Hey! On my channel I like to talk about fashion and music, life here in Brooklyn. And something to know about me is while I love to thrift, I really don't do hauls. I don't buy a lot at once, and I really don't go thrifting that often. I don't have a ton of clothes. Now I'm gonna open this and you're gonna be like, but look at how, like, this isn't that big. I also share this closet with my partner. Now I take up 3/4 of it, but like, you know, there's still a quarter of this closet that isn't mine. And I feel like when I watch other fashion channels or fashion hauls on TikTok or whatever the heck, it's like, you just bought as many clothes as I have in one haul. And I do think that's wasteful, and I think whatever, we're not gonna get into it, but you know, I just like to be mindful of how much I'm buying, even if it's secondhand, you know? So I'm very mindful of what I have in here. Now the goal for today is to go through the closet, pick out the things that I just haven't worn in like the past year, and decide if I want to keep them or not by styling them and like trying to make it work, and then figure out, okay, is it working, or are we just over it? That's what we're doing today. It's like a closet clean out slash try on haul of all the different things that I don't wear, or I'm like too scared to wear, don't know how to style. So I don't have one of those cool clothing racks. I really wish I did in this moment, but we're gonna just put the clothes on top of this bench. All right, so let's jump right in. The first item is this blazer, Calvin Klein. I thrifted this quite a while ago and I've worn it a handful of times. I thought it was like kind of dark academia looking, and like maybe I would wear it in that way more, and then I just didn't. I think it drapes oddly, like it looks good like this, but on me, it almost like does this weird like flare out and like just makes my hips look really wide and weird. But I'm gonna try and style it, see how it looks now. All right, so here's the look with the blazer. I actually really like this look. I like what I put together. Got the little Oxfords, just like my dark brown slacks, leopard print top just to like spice things up a little bit. Yeah, I like this look, but I still don't like how the blazer fits. Also, I brought my mirror out here, so if you see me looking over here, that's what that is. Do you know what I mean about the fit? It does something, it almost makes me like pear-shaped, and I'm like, maybe I just want shoulder pads. Like it's fine. I just feel like I could find a better blazer. Like one that I'm gonna actually want to wear a lot more often and just feel more comfortable in. I don't think I need to waste my time with a blazer that I'm just kind of like, yeah. So even though I think I did a good job styling this today, I think it's in the pile. But let's move on to the next item. So this one, so cute. This is like a little vintage night cape. I really love this. And I feel like I should keep it, and I just need to figure out how to style it. I just don't have many colors that go with this color. And so I just haven't really worn it. I think I wore it in my music video for my song Weeds, and that was like it. Even though I got this like years before filming that. So I've had this for a long time, and I've worn it maybe twice. So I'm gonna style this top now. I don't like this. I don't like this styling. It's giving goofy. It's giving baby. I don't like it. I think it's time to let this one go. It's also like a little bit tight on the guns. I'm in the gym a lot lately, so I think it would work well if I put it over top a dress. Just like a little dress, maybe like a white dress with short sleeves, or like a sleeveless dress. I just don't have any of those. So I would have to literally buy a new dress to pair with this, and then that would be like the only outfit to wear with this. So I don't know. I think someone else will really enjoy this piece, and I think I should give it to them. Even though it's always hard to part, I don't want to, but I should, because you're never gonna wear this. Just do it. All right, so move on to the next item. This one, I don't even think I want to try it on. I already know I'm gonna get rid of it. It's just a little too small. Like, it fits, but it's, you know what I mean? When something is like, well, it fits and it looks fine, but I'm just not comfortable in it. I've just become so much more of a fan of loose clothes, like these pants. Oh my God, I just bought these. And yeah, it has like a diaper butt, but you know what? They're comfortable and it's stretchy in the back. I can just romp around in these. I can kick. So I love these. I love a loose fitting clothing. It's the heat getting to me. It's making me delirious. So a dress like this, where it's very just like all the way down, I just don't like anymore. I don't want to be like teetering around in this dress. So yeah, I think we're just gonna say goodbye to this one. We're not even trying it on. All right, but the next piece is this brown vest. I actually got this off of Depop. I mainly got it for like Hobbit cosplays. Yeah. What? It's who I am, okay? Hobbit cosplays and just like hobbity outfits. So I'm gonna try and style something with this and see if we want to keep the hobbity vibes. I also feel like this could go like 70s, you know, a brown vest. And I've been leaning a lot more into those like 70s hippie looks a little bit. So let's see what we can do with this. Okay, yes, we're keeping this. I love this. 70s in a band. We're playing tonight. I'm just out grabbing coffee right now. Gotta go to sound check, you know. This whole story for this outfit. This is definitely something I'll be rocking this summer. I think the only thing about this vest that I've always had an issue with is like, what is all this room? Like, what's supposed to go here? It's just like a lot of tops fit me that way. It's like a common theme, so I'm like, I guess it's a me problem then. So next we have a top that used to be a dress. So I like to go to this place in Brooklyn called Urban Jungle, but they have so many cheap things. Like everything's under like 10 bucks unless you're getting like a leather jacket. So I got this big dress. I was like, I just love the material. It's just like a really cute dark autumnal print. And I liked the collar. Yeah, I got it a while ago. I hacked it off, but then I just never wore this. This was in the very early stages of me wanting to get into sewing. I don't think I even had my sewing machine yet. I also still have the skirt and I've been meaning to like rework the skirt. It has a weird button section that I have to figure out, but I want to turn this skirt into like a shorter skirt and then I can wear them as a set, and I think that would be really cute. But in the meantime, I'm gonna figure out what else to wear with this. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of this, honestly, because I feel like I made it even though I literally did nothing but hem the bottom. Alright, I'm gonna be real here. Having a real hard time with this one. This is what I came up with. It's really boring and I don't really like it. I think it needs the skirt to be finished. It needs its other half. The thing is, with something with such specific colors like this, I need to match one of these colors. But I don't really have anything in any of these colors. But I'm not gonna get rid of this because I think it just needs the skirt and then I can wear it as a matching set and that's how it'll be worn. And that was my intention all along. I just haven't gotten around to the skirt. Maybe this is my motivation. All right, but let's move on to the next item. This is my Halloween top. This is my very, very autumnal top. But I don't think I wore it this past autumn, and I don't know why. I need to figure that out. So let's try some stuff on with it. Okay, hear me out. I think I'm obsessed, actually. At first, I was like, it's too Halloween. I put on just the shirt, and then I was like, I'll try the vest, even though I know the black and orange, I'm gonna be like, Halloween. And then I put the skirt on again, the same one I was just wearing, and I was like, well, still Halloween. But then with the boots, suddenly it's like 60s, 70s. Kind of go-go dancer. I'm obsessed. All right, keeping with the theme of orange, Yeah, I don't really know how I'm gonna style this. It's very much like a standalone dress, and especially with the puffy sleeves, it's hard to put anything like over top. Let's just try it on. Ugh. Hi guys, editing Hannah here. Okay, here's the thing. I typically wear that orange dress sans bra, and I thought that would be fine to do on camera. Was not. I had the AC blasting. The nips were out, and after reviewing the footage, I decided to cut it because I'm just not comfortable with that, and we're setting up healthy boundaries here. I could have refilmed it. I think you guys get it. I'm probably not keeping the orange dress, and just to catch you up to speed, we moved on to a brown top that kind of has like Bridgerton vibes, I would say. So yeah, let's just get back into it. I like this. I would go walking around the Met in this outfit. Oh yeah. This is not how I walk around the Met. I'm just a bad actor. This skirt has a little bit of brown in it. I don't know if you can see at this angle. And then it has some nice purple tones that I think just go well with the brown. And then because it's a black base, I was like, well, I could pair some other black with it, I guess. So hence the shoes, the little, what is this called? A headband. I kept wanting to say a hat or a crown. I mean, it could be a crown, let's be real. I think if I lean into what this top is trying to be, I can give it its best life. Does that make sense? All right, I'll keep this one for a little bit longer. All right, guys, and our last item that we're styling. I already know I'm keeping this one because I recently got it, but I haven't worn it yet. I have to figure out how to style it. It's such a bold red. I have trouble with color, I think. That's what I'm realizing. All right, so let's try and style this. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to join this person and this outfit in holy matrimony. Guys, I'm obsessed. I know it's a lot, it's not for everybody, but it's definitely for me. I'm just really glad that we get to end this video on a banger, and I wish you could see just like the whole fit together, like with the shoes. It's giving Kissing Kate Barlow. I don't know why. It's not because she wore anything like this, as far as I remember, but there's like an energy, you know? I probably sound ridiculous. If you guys are not familiar with Holes, the movie, you should definitely watch it. I don't know, it's giving carnival, it's giving saloon. It's just giving, and I'm here to receive. Maybe I should edit that out. Anyway, so to wrap it up, I am keeping 5 items and getting rid of 3. I wish it was the other way around, but this is how it is. Some of the items that I'm keeping, I might still be getting rid of within the next couple months. We'll see how the warmer season treats them. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I've really just been getting back into this whole YouTube thing after a while of like not posting regularly. And I've been trying new stuff, so it's been a little bit of an experiment. So I really appreciate every like and comment and new subscriber. If there's anything in particular you want to see on this channel, just let me know. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.